Oh yeah, yeah. Well, it's cooling down tomorrow.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it's like 40% chance, so you never know what that total might be like. What's up, sir?
What's going on?
Chilling. Oh, they got the wings on. I like that.
Yeah. Follow you on Instagram, bro. Yeah, I'm up 6'5", bro.
Yeah, the wings look good on that.
Finally brought him out, huh?
You too? You was on honey last time I saw you.
That's CX-10.
Brutality. What's up, sir?
Accident and shit. I came here, I was like, I'm looking wrong.
A lot of cows. A couple of Suzukis. A lot of cows. Hey. A lot of cows. That's that sport bike resurgence. They ain't going nowhere. They ain't going nowhere. Hit a dog, then hit a dog today. Then I was going between cars and hit a pothole and flipped up in it,
You waiting on Gene and Ghost?
No Gene, but Ghost coming. At least I think so.
Where's your Hardy?
He said, nah, I ain't doing that. He wasn't feeling love.
You never know?
I got him back.
Okay, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I think somebody did say
Because the
that.
lady there makes, well, she wasn't there tonight.
First.
But the owner's wife makes the bomb Mai Tai. So we just call it the Mai Tai.
We got street team up in here too.
What's up, man? How did it work out with that community?
I don't know what happened with that lady.
And we got more coming. Nah, that's where everybody started. If you say 50, Ghost is coming prepared. What's up, sir? You got the VIP spot.
I'm glad to be home, honestly.
Yeah.
What's up, sir?
What's up?
It's a riders meeting.
What's yours?
Are we feeling sexy?
Yeah! That was not good.
Great. BBR 600.
Well, ZX10. TJ, ZX10.
That's 750.
ZX10.
I didn't hear you.
Johnny, Honda Prelude.
Am I? Who's next?
J, R1. Honda, ZX10.
Cowtown. Hey, you going Peasy or you not going? Oh, why not? Why not?
Got some stuff to do.
Oh, you got other stuff to do.
Other
Okay.
stuff to do.
Okay, I got you. I
Other
got
people
you.
to see.
Oh, I
Person to
got you.
see.
I got you.
Not plural, singular.
Uh-oh, I got you. I got you. I hear you. I'm gonna try it too.
This is half the money. We used to have an outfit.
Right by, I was like, oh, okay.
Hey.
Looking far out of my life.
My fault. Hope I ain't mess you up.
I got the point, bro. You all good.
Oh, okay, okay. My fault.
Man, you went the long way with the foot job.
He went the ultra long way.
Everybody went the long way.
Oh, where this come from? Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
gonna say Indianapolis after this.
GR boys and Logic. GR boy. These young hot guns. These young hot guns.